Did you know there are places on Earth that are so breathtaking they seem out of this world? Join me, Alice, as we discover the 10 most beautiful places on our planet that I have been lucky enough to visit. From the depths of the ocean to the peaks of majestic mountains, we delve into Mother Nature's wonders. Plus, stick around to the end. I have 2 bonus locations that may surprise you. Number 1, Mauritius. Our expedition beneath Mauritius's waves unveils not only its vibrant coral reefs, but also a mesmerizing illusion of an underwater waterfall. Yes, you heard it right. Mauritius is home to a stunning optical illusion that mimics the appearance of a cascading waterfall beneath the sea. This phenomenon occurs off the island's southwestern coast, where sand and silt deposits create the illusion of water plummeting into the ocean depths. As water flows from the shallow coastal shelf to the more bottomless oceanic abyss, it encounters a sudden drop-off, forming what appears to be a breathtaking underwater cascade. This remarkable spectacle is a testament to the intricate interplay of currents, tides, and geological formations that shape the marine landscape of Mauritius. But don't be fooled by appearances. There's no waterfall here. Instead, it's nature's ingenious sleight of hand, a captivating optical illusion, enchants divers and snorkelers lucky enough to witness it firsthand. Swimming amidst this surreal scene feels like exploring a hidden underwater paradise where reality blurs into fantasy and the boundaries between land and sea dissolve into a mesmerizing dreamscape. So, if you ever find yourself diving in the turquoise waters of Mauritius, keep an eye out for this remarkable underwater marvel. It reminds us that even in the depths of the ocean, nature has a way of surprising us with its boundless creativity and beauty. Number 2, Niagara Falls. From the serene depths of the ocean, we journey to the thunderous roar of Niagara Falls, one of the world's most iconic natural wonders. Located on the border between the United States and Canada, Niagara Falls captivates visitors with its sheer power and majestic beauty. Fun fact, did you know that Niagara Falls is composed of 3 distinct waterfalls, the Horseshoe Falls, the American Falls, and the Bridal Veil Falls? Each cascade contributes to the awe-inspiring spectacle that has enchanted travelers for centuries, making Niagara Falls a must-see destination for nature enthusiasts and adventurers alike. Number 3, Changi Airport. Next on our itinerary is Changi Airport in Singapore, a hub of innovation and luxury that redefines the airport experience. Named the world's best airport for 8 consecutive years, Changi Airport offers travellers many amenities and attractions to enjoy during their journey. From its lush indoor gardens to its awe-inspiring jewel complex, Changi Airport transcends the conventional notion of an airport, transforming into a destination in its own right. Whether strolling through the enchanting butterfly garden or indulging in a shopping spree at world-class retail outlets, Changi Airport promises an unforgettable experience that sets the standard for global travel excellence. If you've enjoyed the video so far, be sure to check out my website for money-saving travel tips and tricks and the must-have travel gadgets. I have included the link in the description below, along with the top 10 travel items I don't travel without. Number 4, Reynisfjara Beach, Iceland. Our adventure now takes us to Reynisfjara Beach in Iceland, a place of stark contrasts and breathtaking beauty. Nestled along Iceland's southern coast, Reynisfjara is renowned for its dramatic black volcanic sands and towering basalt columns, sculpted by the relentless forces of wind and water. However, this picturesque paradise is not without its dangers. Reynisfjara is infamous for its powerful surf and unpredictable currents, making it one of the most dangerous beaches in the world. Despite the risks, visitors are drawn to Reynisfjara's raw natural beauty, where the juxtaposition of rugged cliffs and crashing waves creates a truly unforgettable sight. Number 5, Munroe Island, Kerala. From the icy shores of Iceland, we journey to the tranquil backwaters of Munroe Island in Kerala, India. Tucked away amidst lush coconut groves and meandering canals, Munroe Island offers a serene escape from the hustle and bustle of modern life. Here, time seems to slow down as traditional village life unfolds, providing visitors with a glimpse into Kerala's rich cultural heritage and natural beauty. Whether exploring the tranquil waterways by boat or simply relaxing amidst the idyllic surroundings, Munroe Island is a hidden gem waiting to be discovered by intrepid travellers seeking an authentic taste of Kerala's charm. Number 6. Salar de Uyuni, Bolivia. Prepare to be mesmerized by the surreal landscape of Salar de Uyuni in Bolivia, the world's largest salt flat. Spanning over 10,000 square kilometers, this vast expanse of glistening white salt crust stretches as far as the eye can see, creating a mesmerizing optical illusion that defies belief. During the rainy season, Salar de Uyuni transforms into a vast mirror, reflecting the sky above in a breathtaking display of natural beauty. This otherworldly landscape has captivated travelers for generations, earning Salar de Uyuni a rightful place as one of the planet's most extraordinary destinations. Number 7. Antelope Canyon, Arizona. Our journey now takes us to the sun-scorched deserts of Arizona, where we encounter the awe-inspiring beauty of Antelope Canyon. Carved over millennia by the erosive forces of wind and water, Antelope Canyon is a mesmerizing labyrinth of narrow sandstone corridors adorned with swirling patterns and sculpted rock formations. As shafts of sunlight penetrate the canyon's depths, vibrant red, orange, and gold hues illuminate the sculpted walls, creating a surreal symphony of color and light. Despite its remote location and challenging terrain, Antelope Canyon continues to captivate visitors with its ethereal beauty. It offers a glimpse into the ancient forces that have shaped our planet over millions of years. Number 8. Cano Cristales River, Colombia. Prepare to be enchanted by the River of Five Colors in Colombia, also known as Cano Cristales. Nestled deep within the Colombian wilderness, this remote river is a true natural wonder, boasting a kaleidoscope of colors rivaling even the most vibrant rainbows. During the rainy season, vibrant red, blue, yellow, and green hues emerge in Cano Cristales' crystal-clear waters, creating a spectacle that defies imagination. This explosion of color is caused by a unique combination of aquatic plants and algae that flourish in the river's pristine waters, transforming Cano Cristales into a living work of art that must be seen to be believed. Number 9. Patlain Lake. Hidden amidst the rugged terrain of Patagonia lies the breathtaking Patlain Lake, a shimmering oasis of turquoise nestled beneath snow-capped peaks. Surrounded by pristine wilderness and towering Andean mountains, Patlain Lake is a haven for outdoor enthusiasts seeking adventure and tranquility in equal measure. Whether you're kayaking across its tranquil waters, hiking along its rugged shores, or simply soaking in the breathtaking scenery, Patlain Lake offers an unforgettable escape into the heart of Patagonia's natural beauty. Number 10. Calbuco Volcano Eruptions. Our journey now takes a fiery turn as we witness the raw power of nature unleashed at the Calbuco Volcano in Chile. In 2015, Calbuco erupted spectacularly, sending plumes of ash and smoke high into the sky and reminding us of the Earth's awe-inspiring yet unpredictable forces. This dramatic display of volcanic activity is a potent reminder of the fragile balance between creation and destruction within our planet's restless depths. Despite the inherent dangers, volcanoes continue to captivate our imagination with their primal energy and untamed beauty, offering a glimpse into the inner workings of our dynamic planet. Bonus Location 1: Door to Hell. From volcanic eruptions to fiery pits, we now descend into the depths of Turkmenistan's Door to Hell. This massive gas crater has been burning continuously since 1971, when Soviet geologists accidentally ignited a natural gas deposit. Today, the Door to Hell glows ominously in the desert night, earning its reputation as one of the world's strangest and most captivating destinations. Despite its eerie allure, the Door to Hell is a stark reminder of the environmental impact of human activity and the delicate balance between progress and preservation that we must strive to maintain. Bonus Location 2: Victoria Falls. Our journey concludes with a visit to the majestic Victoria Falls, known locally as Museo Atunya, or the Smoke That Thunders. As the largest waterfall in the world, Victoria Falls is a true natural wonder, with misty plumes visible from miles away and a roar reverberating through the surrounding landscape. Whether you're marveling at the cascading waters from a scenic viewpoint or embarking on a thrilling adventure beneath the falls, Victoria Falls offers a once-in-a-lifetime experience that will leave you in awe of the power and beauty of our planet's natural wonders. I have also selected 2 videos for you on the end screen that I think you will really enjoy. With that, I will see you in the next one.